Well, howdy everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I've brought you back to the river so that we can dredge some more of that mega crevice, and we're gonna see how much gold we can get. Let's go. So all around this spot, we find boreholes where they were blasting away rock. My son's over by one right there. And if you follow where these go, you come across a real beautiful little exploratory shaft. Now it only goes in probably about 10 feet or so. I think they were testing a calcite vein that was going through. And I think they were using mercury in the process because we are finding small amounts of mercury attached to our gold. Now I don't think they found any kind of an amount because they obviously stopped what they were doing, but it leaves for a pretty nice little place to film at a very beautiful spot. So when they blew that hole open and blew away all the rock that was in here, I'm thinking that's where these big rocks came from. And those have made great gold catches in the river. So when I'm done with that one there, I'm going to move to that one. When I'm done with that one, I'll move to that one. And then that one. And then I'll check out those up there while I work my way up to the waterfall until the season ends. So the last time I was here, I got real curious about this crack. So I came in and I dredged out this hole. As you guys saw, we found some lead and some gold. Well, we're back. I'm gonna get that big rock out of there right there. Start clearing out this hole back down to the layer that I was at so we can work the material in this crack down into the hole that we make. And we're gonna see what we can get. Let's get ready to dredge. There we go. Dredge is in the water. My son's ready. I'm in my super suit. Let's get in the water. If there's one message that I really want to get out there, it's keep it going. Make sure that you take your kids out dredging. Make sure you take them panning, rock hounding. Whatever you do, teach it to your kids. How are we going to keep this going if we don't teach our kids? I'm going to get my kid under the water and running my dredge today. Let's go. Woo! All right, that was a fun day. We found some lead. My son found some gold, which I was very excited to see, and he got in some good panning practice. We tried a few different holes over here, over there, and back over here. Had fun. Didn't find that big gold that we're after, but I know we found some, and it's more than I had before, and it's better than getting a pointy stick in your eye. So, I'll see you back at the house, and we'll see how much gold we got. And there we go. We got the stuff cleaned up. Here's all the lead that we got. I was really amazed with how much bird shot's actually in there. Let me zoom in on that. There's so much lead. But you guys want to see the gold. Let's get in there. So, no big gold yet. Still hitting some of those upper layers where this fine flood gold is. Nice little piece right there. But what I'm actually really happy about is the amount of fine gold that I have in here. And there's a lot of fine gold in there that the camera's not picking up. That makes me really happy, because if I'm going to catch it small, I'm going to catch it all. I know this ain't the gold cube, but the idea is the same. I am really looking forward to getting back out there with the Gold Hog mats, getting some more soil ran. I'm going to be trying some new spots here soon, and I really hope you guys join me. So if you liked the video, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. I'm going to keep putting these videos out, so hit the notifications button so you know when I do. I'm going to keep looking for some new spots so that we can get on some of that bigger gold. I'm so excited with this dredge and how it's turning out. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos, and I really want to thank everybody for subscribing. It really means a lot to me that there are actually people out there who like watching some of my adventures. I really only started this so that a few people that I know could see what I was doing and learn a little bit about it, and I'm absolutely hooked. So thank you everybody, and I will see you soon. Have a great night.